Traklight is the only product for business owners to identify their intellectual property and other intangible assets and ultimately protect the value of their business. The IDRIP questionnaire generates custom reports identifying areas of risk that will help develop a solid IP and business protection strategy. If you work with business owners or their legal counsel and other trusted advisors, Traklight can develop custom product integrations or professional partnerships to deliver added value and build long, profitable relationships with your clients. Depending on your business, Traklight has flexibility to meet your needs. If you offer professional or advisory services to business owners, we have referral partnerships and reseller arrangements. For software and software-as-a-service products, we can develop custom integrations to plug into your workflow. For information and ways we can work together, please contact us at info@traklight.com or call us at 855-687-8785. After completing the IDRIP questionnaire, you end up at the dashboard where the IP diagnostic and the Traklight risk chart are automatically generated. The IP diagnostic visually represents existing and potential intangible assets. The risk chart assesses risk, including red flags or items that require immediate attention. The risk chart is interactive. You can jump back to specific steps to update them in the future after those items have been assessed. To view the other reports, they can be downloaded. The charts and reports are extremely valuable to your key business advisors, including legal counsel, outside investors, finance and accounting, as well as key management and employees. The IP strategy report will give you a thorough look at the issues the risk chart raises and some background information on those issues. The IP snapshot and IP inventory will be valuable for your key business advisors. These reports can be key items to set agendas with those advisors and be prepared for any meeting. To receive the maximum value from IDRIP, update your questionnaire as the problems are solved and check the charts and reports again. Also, it's a good idea to review your issues on a regular basis, monthly or quarterly, to see if you have new ideas or other areas your growing business needs to address. Getting started with Traklight is similar to every other online purchase process. You select a product and add it to the shopping cart. If this is your first time, you first set up an account. If you already have an account, simply log in. After signing in, you begin with the dashboard and can start the IDRIP questionnaire at any time. IDRIP starts with foundational business questions. Before we get to your great ideas and your intellectual property, we want to see where you are with your business planning. When you begin, the first task is to name your questionnaire, add a short description, and tell Traklight who you are. The foundational questions begin by getting into your ownership structure and works its way through your current employee situations. The questions are nested, meaning clicking on one will open up additional questions in that section. Also, the question marks and underlined texts will reveal definitions and further information needed to answer that section. After completing the foundational sections, IDRIP moves into the potential and existing IP and the costs associated. In our example, we have already filed a provisional patent. Traklight captures all of the necessary information around the filing, the registration, and provides areas to capture your cost. Save and Continue moves you to the next section. In this area, we are looking at IP that exists around computer software. You would identify your product name and the circumstances around its development. As before, there is an area to capture costs associated with the product. After completing the section on ideas and inventions, we then move on to other areas like brand IP and any other trade secrets in your business. The flow is exactly the same as the earlier sections. A valuable addition to the IDRIP questionnaire is Traklight's IP Vault. It can serve as the bridge between the business owner and their team, including co-founders, investors, legal counsel, or other trusted advisors. Depending on the level of vault, you can securely share key business files and control user permissions to different folders within a vault or different vaults. IP Vault is available in the free basic vault plan for a single user with 1 share, and paid versions include Bronze for small businesses, Silver for legal or financial professionals, and Gold for corporations.